To be honest, I wanted to sit down for this video because, well, XPG has two new chairs, one which is more oriented on the budget series, and then we have a bit more ergonomical chair. Also, some way going into the gaming segment. But as you can notice, we're at XPG booth at Computex 2026, where we have two new chassis. We're having MAESTRO fans, which have a specific software that can dedicate how to orient the airflow. We have new fan series. We have three new 62DA air coolers, new AAO with, well, actually, we saw that last year, but so I don't complicate without any B-roll. Let's go deeper into XPG booth and check out literally everything, including some new technologies regarding the power supplies, which also includes the fusion systems. Let's go.
At this year's Computex, XPG arrives with a very clear message. This is no longer just a memory brand, and it is no longer just a component supplier. Instead, XPG is positioning itself as a full-stack enthusiast hardware company, expanding across cooling cases, power supplies, intelligent airflow systems, all tied together through a unified design philosophy focusing on performance and customization. And at the center of this showcase is an entirely new generation of cooling and system hardware. XPG introduces its next generation cooling lineup featuring advanced liquid cooling, high performance air cooling, and intelligent fan control solutions. Leading the lineup is the Levante View 360mm radiator and a triple fan configuration with a compact 3.95-inch LCD screen on the pump block. It still integrates with XPG Prime, allowing users to customize the system visuals, monitoring data, and so on and so on. It is rated up to 320 watts of TDP, positioning it at the balance between performance and design. XPG also expands its high-performance air cooling lineup with two key models, the MAESTRO VIEW 62DA and MAESTRO INFINITY 62DA. The MAESTRO VIEW 62DA is a dual-tower air cooler featuring a 3.95-inch LCD display mounted on top of the heatsink. It delivers both customization and thermal performance through a 6-heat-pipe dual-tower structure paired with two 120mm addressable RGB fans. With support for up to 200 watts of TDP, it targets high-end CPUs while maintaining a strong visual identity. Now, the Infinity 62DA takes a more minimalistic approach. It retains the same dual tower cooling foundation but removes the display, focusing entirely on thermal efficiency while still maintaining a premium design language, let's put it this way. At the entry level, XPG introduces the MAESTRO 62DA. It retains the same dual tower cooling foundation, it still delivers up to 200 watts of TDP cooling capacity, making it suitable for mainstream gaming systems. Across the cooling ecosystem, XPG is clearly building a layer product stack, from visual flagship coolers to the efficient mainstream solutions. A major highlight of the booth is the new Hurricane Mag Pro fan system. Not the fans, because we saw them already, but the fan system. This fan supports daisy chaining up to 7 units through a single cable, drastically reducing cable clutter. It integrates directly with XPG proprietary dynamic breathing software, which enables intelligent fan speed control and adaptive airflow optimization based on a system load. Alongside it, the newly introduced Infinity Fan series focus on modular installation, streamlined design, reinforcing XPG push towards a cleaner and more unified system building. On the case side, XPG presents the Vader X2, a panoramic mid-tower case built around pillarless front corner and continuous tempered glass design. Its emphasis showcases aesthetics, giving full visibility to internal components and cooling systems. For performance-focused builds, the Invader X Elite introduces a more airflow-driven design, using the Mag Pro fans system and directional airflow engineering. This model is designed to guide air more efficiently across the GPU and CPU zones, with early demonstrators showing AI-assisted airflow optimization concept that could dynamically adjust cooling behavior in future systems. Power delivery is another major focus of XPG Computex showcase. So at the top of the lineup is the Fusion 1600 watts, which you already saw on my channel, designed for extreme performance systems and high-load computing environments. It is capable of driving demanding multi-GPU configurations, including dual ASRock Intel Arc Pro B70 GPUs aimed at AI and compute workloads. For instance, the Cybercore 1200 watts power supply introduces an extreme power guard technology, which monitors GPU power delivery in real time through a 12V2x6 connector. It detects abnormal current behavior, triggers overload protection, and provides LED-based alerts for immediate visibility. This is paired with software monitoring for deeper system level analysis. The Core Reactor 3000 watts power supply completes the lineup, offering a full ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 compliance. It emphasizes stability, efficiency, and cross-platform compatibility, including support for high-performance GPU ecosystems such as the Razer Core X V2. This reinforces XPG's direction towards broader platforms. Across the entire showcase, XPG's Computex 2026 direction is clear. Cooling systems are becoming display platforms, airflow is becoming intelligent, power delivery is becoming actively monitored, and the chassis design is becoming more expressive and performance-oriented. From the Levante View 360 to MAESTRO VIEW 62DA, from the Hurricane Mag Pro fan system to the Cybercore 3 power supply, and then we have the Invader X Elite case, everything is moving towards a unified system vision or a platform. Now, not just components, but a connected performance platform built for the next generation of PC building. That was XPG at Computex 2026. Thanks for watching.